Click subscribe to get latest news and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Trump campaigned on getting the illegal aliens out of our country. His administration is getting ready to launch an initiative that'll have illegals running for cover. Breitbart reports that U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement are going to start rounding up all of the teenage gang members in the country and set them up for immediate deportation. This also includes the dreamers that Obama was so proud of during his presidency. We have had a mounting problem of gang violence in our country, particularly when it comes to gangs full of illegal immigrants like MS-13. During the Obama administration, it was all a big joke, no one seemed to care, aside from the true Americans of this country. Everyone who wanted to see our country safe had to sit back and watch as floods of illegals came in, and were praised by everyone on the left. President Trump is having none of it, and we've never been prouder to call ourselves patriots. Reuters got their hands on a memo that came from a source in ICE. The memo states that on Sunday, teenage gang members that are here illegally will be captured for deportation. According to the memo, there are 3 qualifiers that make someone a gang member. They have to meet 2 of the following criteria: have gang tattoos, frequent gang locations, or wear gang apparel. Attorney General Jeff Sessions stated during a speech at the U.S. Courthouse in Central Islip, New York, the MS-13 motto is kill, rape, and control. I have a message to the gangs that are targeting our young people. We are targeting you. We are coming after you. It doesn't help that the number of minors, many of whom eventually become gang members, entering the country illegally is growing. This is an issue that needs to be addressed now. The increased number of unaccompanied minors coming here illegally from El Salvador is alarming, to say the least. The number is ticking upwards. In May of this year, there were 1,493 minors caught trying to cross the border. Stunningly enough, that is an almost 50% increase. If they want to come here, there is a process to do it legally. If you want to enter our country, follow our rules. If you're incapable of following the rules for getting into the United States, we sure can't expect you to follow the rest. As for the gang members trying to cross the border, they can just stay right where they are, and destroy their own country. We do not want them here, poisoning our society with their violence and drugs. Period.